I'm getting ready for my CPC exam. Any tips? Yes. Do your practice questions with these pages. So look at your different answers. If two of your answers are under incision and two of your answers are under excision code numbers, you can tell just by looking at this page what you would look for inside your exam question. Did I just cut into the body or did I remove something from inside the body? Go look at your question. I removed something. I removed a cyst or something, whatever, from the head, right? I removed a lesion, whatever it is. So then I know that my answer will be one of these. Then I can go straight to my page number where those codes are located. And now I've got it down to just two codes. Super easy this way. It's faster this way. And you will know that if you have an asterisk beside a code set number, like this one right here for the head prosthetic, that you have a guideline that you need to worry about for those sets of codes because they have a star beside them. If they don't have a star, then there's no guideline you need to worry about. So these pages are extremely helpful. And if you can do your exam questions for the first part of them with looking at these pages first, it'll help you eliminate and get down to usually a 50-50 shot at exam questions before you even get to the code and the descriptor. AAPC is going to give you a ton of excisions. They're going to give you an excision here. They're going to give you an excision code here. They're going to give you an excision code here. And if you don't know to go back a few pages and look at your body part headers first, then you'll be under the wrong excision code. But if you're doing your questions with these pages, then your headers are right here. So, best advice right there.